We are celebrating today the 200th Airbus aircraft for easyJet. As the world's largest operator of 319s and with an increasing number of 320 aircraft as well, easyJet has established a major pan-European presence over years. easyJet transports 16 million people this summer. That's the entire population of the Netherlands, basically, for all of Europe in the all Airbus fleet, with up to 1,250 flights a day at the very peak. That is very, very impressive. And you have now 30 countries, 130 airports where the Orange Revolution has taken place. Carolyn, you and your predecessors have put a lot of faith in us, in Airbus, and we thank you for that. And at the same time, as you know, we take it very seriously, all the more so since later this year your fleet will become an all Airbus fleet.
This is a very important milestone for us, 200 aircraft, and 4 years ago where we were, it is extraordinary. And at 15 years old, easyJet is the youngest ever airline to reach that landmark. Of course, I would like to thank everybody at Airbus and CFM. We're now the second biggest airline in France, behind a certain French-Dutch joint venture. And in the last 6 months alone, we've launched 16 new routes in France from Parisian and regional airports, putting the French regions right at the centre and the heart of Europe. We believe the 200th aircraft signifies that we are an airline of scale and maturity. That doesn't mean we won't continue to grow, but it does mean that we are now in a position where that is an important goal for us. So we will be turning Europe orange, and I think the 200th aircraft absolutely embodies that ambition. So thank you very much from me and from everyone at easyJet.
We're very proud to christen easyJet's 200th aircraft now.